Well, hi traders, it's time to put crude oil firmly on your trader radar and by extension the XLE, the XOP ETF and the petrocurrencies, the Mexican peso, the CAD and the NOK as well. And we are seeing volatility pick up in the crude price. The Brent price has just been down by the most since the 2nd of August. We've seen WTI prices, the biggest falls that we've seen there since July. So the market is getting nervous about the OPEC meeting that comes up in the session ahead. Okay, partly some of that selling can be explained by the fact we've seen oil output at the highest level since May 2020. We've seen the Department of Energy release oil inventory builds of 3.2 million barrels. And also that we've seen COVID cases in China spike, which lowers the perception of future demand as well. But generally speaking, given the comments that we've seen from the president in the US and also from Secretary of State Blinken, trying to put pressure on the OPEC nations to increase its output to lower the strain that we're seeing on the consumer, the question then becomes, will we see OPEC continue with its status quo of output agreements of 400,000 barrels, something that the market believes is firmly going to be the case. Now, if that comes to fruition, we may see oil prices move up 50 cents a dollar, perhaps. But then the question becomes, in that situation, will the OECD nations look to make noises about releasing some of their strategic petroleum reserves into the market, something which could, again, lower crude prices quite significantly and off the bat? The other question is will OPEC really blink in this situation and increase output by more than 400,000 barrels, say 600 to 800,000, which, if it comes to fruition, could see the crude price drop $4 to $5 very, very quickly indeed. So the playbook is set. We could see volatility, and it's time to put crude firmly on your trader radar.